Today, I will be showing you how to share your survey via email. In order to send email survey invitations, all you have to do is go to the Share option in the side menu and then select Email. On the first page, you can choose how to invite your respondents. You can choose between doing it manually, copy-paste, and uploading. In this case, I have uploaded a CSV file with all of the information about my respondents. Next step would be to choose which message you are going to be sending. I have selected from an invitation message from this survey, which I have previously created. I can also edit the sender's information if I find that it is relevant for my survey. In this case, the sender information will be the reply to email in case the respondents decide to reply to your invitation email. Once all of this information has been completed, all you have to do is select Next. Once you have clicked Next, you can either choose to send your invitation now or schedule it for later. If you choose to schedule it for later, you are then able to choose which date you would like it to be sent on and the time. I can also see that all of my 15 respondents are now ready, so all I have to do is click Schedule Now. Once my respondents have all been scheduled, I will be able to see an overview of my respondents in the responses list. And if I would like to confirm the time I have chosen my invitations to be sent out on, all I have to do is go to the response list, select one of my respondents, and then in their log, I will be able to see the time for which the invitation has been scheduled. These are the steps that you need to follow if you would like to send your survey via email.